Next, Cheryl here, Fastco Automotive, and here's the beast back on the dyno. The tried various combinations here, but this little monster's going to need a 6AL box. So we hooked up the 6AL box, and we got rid of the high RPM slight miss there, 5,000 RPM plus. And now she's clean right up to 6,500 RPM. So we've been pulling on it for a little while here, and we're going to bring her up to 6,000 RPM. That's her limit here. So we'll see what she finally delivers. All right, here we go. 6,000 RPM. Monster next. All right, mate. You're in a box. You're off. Cheers.